Hi, today we are discussing how to apply Qatar visa online. For Indian nationality, Qatar we can do online or we can take visa on arrival option. For taking visa on arrival, we have to take hotel booking from Discovery Qatar website and we need insurance. This is the official website for the Discovery Qatar, and here we have to go through the hotel for Hayya and visa on arrival. From here we have to book the hotel. Like that we can take visa on arrival option. At least minimum 2 nights required uh, for hotel booking for getting visa on arrival. So this is a website. We can check the visa requirement nationality wise. Here mention the nationality India and answer these questions. Are you GCC resident or any other permit? None of the above. And do you have any valid visa? Okay, mention here no. And there's a two options there showing. One is discovery of the hot accommodation to get the visa on arrival, or apply the A1 visa. That is a category A1 entry visa for applying online. Now we can check how to apply the Hayya A1 entry visa online. So first of all, we have to create a login ID. We can register with our email ID. Once the registration done, then we have to click here start the Hayya journey. From here, fly to Qatar. The three option here, we have to select here fly to Qatar for applying the visa. And click on fly to Qatar and mention nationality and answer the below questions. Are you GCC resident? No. And if this is a resident, then mention yes. Still we have option to apply the visa or taking visa on arrival. And tourist entry A1 visa. This is a condition. Visa cost 100 Qatar Riyal. The visa cost we need to pay only the final approval get. Like when we are lodging the application for submission, we no need to pay anything. After that there will be a validation. If validation is approved, then only we need to make the payment. Like that the process. And it's a single entry visa, one time use, and visa cost non-refundable. This is a condition. And click on apply for A1 visa. And then here we can see about this application, copy of passport ID, hotel booking, or host information. In accommodation detail, we can mention either hotel booking or someone in Qatar, you are staying with them, then we can take their address. First of all, they have to register their detail on this portal, then only we can use it. And the person should have their own tenancy contract in their name, then only we can do it. This is a document requirement: digital photo, at least 80% face cover, passport, and detail of onward travel and hotel booking. And they clearly mention here, in case someone is hosting you, please be sure to register in it on the portal. Firstly they have to register. So I will show you how to register the accommodation detail on this portal. They can easily register with their Qatar ID. They can register the details on this portal. In that cases, no need to produce any hotel booking. In hotel booking, we can do from Discovery Qatar, or we can take from the outside any other portal. Hotel voucher we can upload. And for filling the application, we have to fill the personal details, residential information, accommodation information, application summary, and submit the application. After for the validation, we will get the update. And here I will show you how to register for accommodation requirement. Click on here accommodation requirement and host family and friends. From here we can easily register and just mention here Qatar ID number and our date of birth. Then we will get one OTP. Validate with OTP. The registration is completed, and we have to mention after that we have to mention our property details, and property should be on our name on the tenancy contract. Like that the process is going on. Hope you guys understand about Qatar visa, how to apply, and what is the option for visa on arrival. So any question you can put one comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you another video. Thank you.